This is an A1 English listening practice video. In this video, you can practice listening and comprehension as I speak. Are you ready? Today, I'm going to talk about cooking. Cooking is an important topic because everyone loves eating, right? Cooking and eating. I do not know how to cook very well, so I do not know a lot about cooking. However, I love eating, so I enjoy talking about food. I am lucky because my husband cooks very well. He has a natural talent for cooking, so he cooks well. That means I eat well. Mexican cooking. Let me tell you about some of the things my husband cooks. Since he is Mexican, he likes cooking Mexican food. Sometimes he makes tacos, which are delicious. There are many types of tacos, so my husband can cook different kinds of tacos each time. I also cooked tacos in the past, but I do not cook very well. So my tacos were not very good. I cooked tacos de lengua, which are tongue tacos, but I did not cook them very well. My husband cooks much better. Cooking. Eggs. The only thing I cook well is eggs. I love eggs, and I eat them almost every morning. I think eggs are the best breakfast food. I usually eat scrambled eggs, but I also eat other types of eggs too. My favorite type is Eggs Benedict. This is my favorite breakfast. Have you tried Eggs Benedict? Pasta and Italian food. My husband also makes pasta. He makes really good pasta. He does not buy the pasta in a box from the store. He makes the pasta by hand. He makes the noodles, and they taste so good. When you make pasta by hand, it tastes better. I love all types of pasta, but my favorite is ravioli. For me, ravioli is the perfect food. Actually, I like all Italian food. When we were in Italy, we ate some amazing food. Cooking meat. My husband also cooks a lot of meat. We like eating different cuts of steak every week. We try to buy cheap meat because meat can be expensive. We do not want to spend a lot of money, so we buy cheap meat. My husband cooks the meat in a pan, which is easy. Other people cook their meat on a grill. We do not have a grill, so we use a pan. I think that meat tastes good if it's cooked on a pan or on a grill. Meat is always good. Breakfast foods. My husband cooks really good breakfast. He makes delicious pancakes. I like to eat pancakes with maple syrup and peanut butter. I know that's a little strange, but it's delicious. I love pancakes and peanut butter. My husband also cooks chilaquiles, a common Mexican breakfast. This is my favorite breakfast in the world. I love chilaquiles. This dish has tortilla chips, salsa, cheese, and cream. I like it with eggs on top. It's so good. Dinner time. I don't know which is better, breakfast or dinner. In my family, we cook dinner 5 days a week. The other days, we go out to eat dinner or we eat dinner with other people. Sometimes we eat dinner with my parents, and other times we eat dinner with my sister. Tonight, we will eat dinner with my parents, and my mother will cook dinner. When I was a kid, my mother cooked dinner every weekday. Every evening, we ate dinner at 6:30 p.m. Eating together. Do you eat dinner at the same time every day? In the U.S., it's common for families to eat dinner together. We sit together at the table, we eat, and we talk about our day. Dinner time is important in the U.S. In other countries, people eat dinner late, like at 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. But this is too late for me. I don't want to eat dinner late. I like eating dinner at 5, 6, or 7. This is a good time for dinner. What do you like eating for dinner? Trying new foods. I like every type of food from every country. I can eat anything, and I love trying new foods. Like I said, I do not cook well, but I eat well. Maybe I will learn to cook in the future, but I do not know. I do not like cooking, and I do not have the natural talent to cook. I prefer eating, not cooking. My husband cooks very well, so I do not need to learn. I am thankful for that. Okay, We are finished for today. Leave a comment and tell me if you like cooking. I'll see you in the next video.